Welcome lovely people to another Shein video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a code that you can use on the Shein app and you get 60% off as a new app user. Yes, you heard me. If you're a new app user, you have the opportunity of getting the 60% off coupon, okay? All you need to do is this. Once you open your Shein app as a new app user, just search this code in the Shein app search bar. EBK EBKZ6 EBKZ6. Click on your search sign and wait for the offer to pop up just like that. Once it pops up, you click on get it now, and just like that, after you've accepted this coupon, whatever it is you put into your cart, when you want to check out, you're definitely going to notice the 60% off your items. It's that easy, okay? So what are you waiting for? Hurry now. New app users, use this code EBKZ6 and access this 60 euro coupon. If you're not a new app user, you can always create a new account so that you can enjoy this discount, okay? So let me know in the comment section if you've used this code and it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.